say goodnight and go.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So we're getting festive, as you can tell. So today's video is going to be my first video filming in December. I know a Christmas look already went up that I pre-filmed like 2 weeks ago. I guess I didn't pre-film it, I just decided to film a Christmas look and then waited to post it. But this is my first video filming in December. I'm excited because it's getting festive in here. Today's look is going to be a wreath look. I'm like kind of nervous, but I think that I can do it if I stay confident in myself. So we're gonna try it. But yeah, this video is not gonna be super like, I'm not gonna like talk through like the face and everything. It's gonna be like a voiceover because it's gonna be like a super hard look, and I don't want this video to be super long. But the next video that goes up is going to be talk through. It's gonna be more of like a chit chatty thing. So let's get started. I love you guys so much. If you're new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. And let's get into this festive little thing. So I went in with a light lime green and I just blended that kind of high into my crease for like the main wreathy type of part. And then I didn't show this, but I went in with a dark green right under it, like a super dark green, and I patted it and then blended it. And then I went in with a like small angled brush and I took the dark green and made little like lines coming out of the shadow I'd already put down, so it kind of looked like wreath, like pine needles and stuff like that. And then I did the exact same thing but with a like an eyebrow pomade, but it made it look like branches and stuff. Then I went in with a red liner, and you literally can't see this at all, but I made a bow right in the center of my eyelid, and I like made a circle and then did like the bow outline. And then here I was just outlining the bow in black and adding some like line detail to the inside so it looked more realistic. Then I took blue, pink, and yellow and purple and put dots on the outside as little ornaments. So like all over the rest of the green, I just added little ornaments and it looked super duper cute. So I just want to really quickly say, I'm so proud of these. They look really good. Oh my gosh, like this one looks the best. This one's not terrible. This bow, like that little black line that looks messed up, it's supposed to be like that, but this one just looks better. I think this bow is just a little bit bigger. But it looks really good. So I'm gonna throw on a tiny bit of face makeup, not foundation or anything, just some concealer. Pop on my lashes and I'll be back. And then I'm doing another look tonight. This did not take as long as I thought it was, but it looks super good. Like you can tell that it's supposed to be like a wreath. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna go finish and I'll be back. I'm so happy, guys. You have no idea. Okay, this is the completed look. I'm obsessed. This lash on this side is hurting my eyes so bad because the inner corner just, you know, doesn't want to go on correctly. It's just like, yeah, we're gonna be a big pain in the butt today. That's a great plan. Like, it actually isn't even on my eye at all. Like, it's just hanging there and I'm just like, okay, I'm just gonna take pictures and then take it off. But I'm obsessed. I love the way it turned out. Pictures are gonna be so good. I'm so excited for all my Christmas looks coming up. I'm filming one more tonight, so yeah, I'm excited. This look took me about an hour to 45 minutes, so like not a ridiculously long time, and it looks really good. That was full face, like eyes and everything. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, queens.
Hey, say, hey.